Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, Tasif is with you with one of my latest video. Today we will talk about all those who are worried about their businesses, how to grow their business, how to expand their businesses, what are the strategies, what are the things they have to do, they have to follow, they have to implement to grow their businesses. And these are the very basic kind of tips and knowledges which I'm trying to share with you. And these are the again, once again, as I always keep repeating and telling all of you, this is all which I learned from my experiences. This is what I been through. This is what my personal experiences are. This is nothing from any motivational speakers or from any web or any channel, something like that. So it's totally all the knowledge is being shared with you is through my experiences in my life. So there are different ways to grow your businesses, maybe. But before going into detail and before going for those tips, what are those magic tips that if you follow that, I'm guarantee you that your business will grow. Your graph will go like this. So before going to have learn those steps and techniques, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that I can make good videos and good information for all of you. So let's start without any further delay. How to grow the business? If you are having some problem in your existing businesses, so how to grow that businesses? See, businesses owner can employ many strategies. There are different ways to increase your businesses. There are different ways to grow the sustainable. How to make it sustainable way. There are different way to achieve. But let's start with the first one. For me, the first one is leverage your existing customer. Now the question arises why? Why should I give the leverage to my customers as I already am being doing something good? But no, this is very basic tips. Once again, I'm repeating you leverage your customers. So what does it mean now? The second thing arises in your mind that what does it mean? Like there's a lot of way to give the leverage. Like you should use some loyalty programs, some discounts, some incentives to keep your customer coming back. Like see, if you have your product already in market, but if incentives like buy one get one free, maybe if you have my perks subscription, you will have this discount, monthly discount, and with like a loyalty card, something like that to offer. So this kind of innovation, this kind of leverage to keep your customer coming back to you is very important. See, stagnant and constant behavior will never flourish, will never grow. So you have to keep your customer intact with you. And these are the very good tips. Whether if see, this technique is not only applied for the multinational, not for the big business or small business, for every businesses. If you are doing a small shop, you can do that. If you are doing a small shop in your area, give some credit, keep engaging your customers so that they come again and again with you and doing businesses with you. So this is very important. So first thing is leverage your customers, and how I already explained that there are different ways to do that, to keep in touch with to your customers, keep engaging them so that they can come back again and again and again. And by this, you can have a good circulation, right? Or maybe like if I initiated something good and offering something good, and some of the customer visited me, maybe if you like that, he go and tell to his families, then his families go somewhere else. So with a word of mouth, it's already been your promotion is being going on. So word of mouth is one kind of that strategy. The second thing is, which I normally recommend all of you, for all the businesses who's watching me right now, and even though who want to start it, develop a strong brand identity. It's very important. See, image your product, imaging building the image of your product. So brand identity is very important. So first, Leverage your customer brand identity, ensure that consistent messaging, visuals, and user experience across all media platform. See how this is the way how we can make a strong brand identity through different media nowadays. What I'm talking to right now is the help with the help of social media, with the Facebook pages, with the LinkedIn, with Twitter. So keep making good ads, good. I mean, different kind of activities so that your brand goes very strongly to the customer mind. So make sure the brand identity is consistent messaging, and with the help of people, the help of explain across the media with different platforms. So it's very important to do that. Now, the third one, how to do that, how to improve that. Simple. Just invest money on the digital media, modern technology. Take advantage of automation nowadays, big data, cloud computing solutions to streamline operation and reach to the new customers. So these are the things which right now we are doing. We have to do that. If we are following all these things, believe me, your business will grow. If somebody is following the traditional way, if his forefather was used to do that, and if no, I am very comfortable within certain parameters that I don't want to use all these things, I am already doing good. No, this is really totally unacceptable. If you want to really grow, if you want your graph of the company like this, you have to adopt all this. You have to spend some money on technology so that you can reach maximum number of the customers. With the traditional way, with the normal ways which are being followed before, you cannot reach to the maximum number of the customer, right? So after investing in the what, how, like you can spend some amount on the digital marketing, utilize the possible online channels to reach the potential customers, right? This is the way, this is the easiest way right now, because very easy. Like social media, you can use it. You can use emailing. There are a lot of softwares are available for sending the emails. uh, Search engine marketing, SEO and SEM. So there are a lot of way to modernize, to make your company or to make your marketing strategy or to your selling technique as per the technology, as per the new latest gadgets. So investing on that, so you can believe me, that will give you a very huge kind of difference that what you are doing right now. And after adopting all this steps which I just told you, what are the difference in your in your current business. So after once you fulfill all these steps, now see, these are the first three or four steps. After following these, the important thing is monitor your competitors. Keep an eye on competitors. See what changes your competitor is doing, what innovation he's bringing. So you have to keep monitoring him. You cannot avoid that thing. You have to compete. If you want to be in a market, you have to compete with your competitor. So keeping an eye on a competitor is very important. You must have the understanding of industry trends, distinguish your business and the marketplaces. So don't forget, keep an eye on your competitor. It's very important, so that you have an idea of the open market, the ways market is going, what your customers, what your what your competitor is doing, what strategy is following. So you have a comparison, then you can have an idea in a position to make certain changes to your existing policies and techniques for your business. Now, I hope you are getting what I'm trying to explain you as of now. From the beginning, I'm telling you that how to grow your business. So these are very simple. There's no rocket science involved. There's nothing so much. You have to be a scholar for that. If very simple techniques and very simple words I told you, I will repeat in the end, then you have an idea that it's very easy to keep grow your business, how to expand your business. Now, one more point, that is called the focus on the customer services. See, customer services is very pathetic nowadays. In few areas, in few regions, I have been through, which people are very obliged, very humble in their customer services. But mostly, the companies are not focusing on customer services, which is really alarming right now. So focus on the customer services and build relationship with your customers. Until unless you don't have the positive contacts, you have that communication, that understanding with your customer, nobody going to have your product. That positive customer image building create a good image of your product that gives the positive branding of your product. See, your your humbleness, your relationship with your customer say a lot. So it's very important to focus on the customer services. And customer service, how? Customer services with the help of, there are a lot of techniques to keep calling your customers, having a feedback from your customer, having different performers in different feedback forms sent to your customer. Keep asking them, sir, hello, how are you? I have sent you that product. Is it okay with that? You are happy with that? What are your experiences? If anything, just replace that. If so, a lot of way you can keep your customer intact, and you can keep your customer, give that feeling that you really care for them. So customer caring and customer relationship is very important. Now the other one, explain your services, identify the gaps in the market. See, suppose don't be keep repeating the same old thing. So identify those market, try to overcome that gap. What unique product and services others are offering, and what unique product and services you can offer to your customers. So keep innovating, keep reviving yourself, keep trying to have something new in your boxes. So changing the product, keep changing the strategies will definitely attract more and more and more customers for you, which is very important, right? And the first, not the first, sorry, the last and the most important one, which I really believe, which I really working, which really helped me out as of today to grow my businesses, to grow my business expansion, which really helped me a lot. That is the networking. Reach out to the potential partners and collaborators with them. Potential partners, maybe your friends, maybe some of the marketing agencies, maybe some of your customers. So acquire more resources by following these steps. Believe me, I'm 100% guarantee you, if you sincerely follows all these steps, maybe I've told you like 7 or 8 steps. Let me recall again and summarize all this. That the first one was leverage with the customers, product identity, strong brand image, customer care, customer feedback, making innovations to your product, use technology based marketing strategies, networking in the end. So, if any business, whether you are a multinational, whether you are a small business owner, whether you are just started your businesses, whosoever you are, if you follow all these steps one by one and trying to adopt all these steps in your current businesses, I am guarantee you your business will grow. So hope you understand all these things as of now, and keep writing to me so that I am in a position to give you a more valuable information. My purpose is not only to have this channel. My only purpose that I give you something good, something new, something innovative. Maybe out of this 10 minutes or 15 minutes video, maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds, it can change a positive impact on yourself, on your life. That is my achievement. I'm here just to share all the knowledges, good thing which I learned from my experiences, from my life. I just want to give to all of you knowledge. I have been done so many videos regarding this knowledge is sharing is caring. So my phenomena is very clear that whatever I told you, if few words of mine can change your life in a positive manner, that's make my life. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, keep watching me, keep posting me. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, take care of your parents. Take care. Allah Hafiz.